Good afternoon! Welcome to this rainy day in Boise, Idaho. Today I woke up and I was thinking about all of the people in this town who I love that freak out whenever the weather is bad, because for the most part it's moderate climate here and we get a lot of sun. So when it gets sucked in like this and there's no sun, people go a little crazy. People have been driving like assholes today, and I know that it's not their fault and they just need the sun. So this is not a talk about vitamin D. That would have been a way better segue for that, but I want to talk about St Johns Wort. St Johns Wort is an awesome plant, also known as Hypericum perforatum. That is the Latin name. St Johns Wort is one of those plants that's good for a lot of diverse things. So really effective for topical nerve pain, for other pain related things like people say earache or IBS pain, which is obviously going to be more GI based pain. So great for that, great for menopausal symptoms, great for PMS, also pain indicated. Most probably notably known for its ability to help deal with either moderate to severe depression. So really awesome plant for that. And that's what made me think about it today, was people getting depressed. So obviously it's not indicated for like, hey, the sun went away today and I'm sad. You could use it for a pick-me-up, but it's a little bit more of a potent plant. I would use it for, hey, I'm struggling and I've had depression for a couple of months and it's maybe becoming chronic and less acute right now. So that is what it's most known for. That is one of the things that it is a powerhouse at doing. So I would say that and topical nerve pain are probably the best things. If you mix St Johns Wort, arnica, and calendula and make it into a salve and put that on topically, it's one of the best historical salves that I know of for pain. Also really good for psoriasis. You could probably use that same blend because the calendula will help with the psoriasis as well. So awesome plant for that. Big things with this plant, there are some contraindications that are pretty severe. So it can change the way that birth control, the efficacy of birth control. So you need to use a backup contraceptive if that's the case, just to be safe. The other thing is it does make some people more photosensitive, so don't hit the tanning bed right after you try using St. Johns Wort for the first time. Don't experiment with those things for depression at the same time. Make sure you know what it does to your skin. And the last and most notable thing is you cannot take St. Johns Wort if you're taking an SSRI. So that is a select serotonin reuptake inhibitor. If you're taking Lexapro, Celexa, citalopram, Wellbutrin, blah blah blah, Prozac, none of those can you take it with. Directly contraindicated. You can get serotonin syndrome symptoms, where you have way too much serotonin, which is not a good thing. So just pay attention. Don't cross that plant with any drugs. Not a good thing to do. So that's what I have to say about St. Johns Wort and contraindications. But at the end of the day, if you're not taking any of those things, you want to deal with your depression, this is an amazing plant for you to do it with. I would highly recommend it. You can take it in tea, you can take it in capsules, you can take it in tincture, whatever you want to do. And you can also take it topically. So just backing up into the spot like a boss right now. That's all that I have to say about St. Johns Wort. So try it out, Hypericum perforatum. If you have questions, you can ask your healthcare professional. You can ask me questions as well, because there are certain drugs that you want to watch out for. So do your research before you use it, but if you can use it, it's a great ally to have. Stay happy.